Hi guys, today's video is about Chrome and the productivity functions that gives us. Usually I have chosen the option when I start up my Chrome to continue where I have left, which means if I have opened multiple tabs here with many different topics and pages open, that whenever I click the X, whenever I turn on my computer back again and click on opening the browser, this one tab having multiple tabs arranged next to each other will reappear again every time I open my browser. If I close this general tab last. So what happened today, it was that I closed that usual tab that I always have as a continue where you left off, and I closed it, but not last, but first. So the last tab I would close, it wouldn't be the one I needed for reopening the next time I start my new session. So I was like confused and a little bit scared because I didn't remember what I have opened here in the line of tabs. As you know, we designers tend to open many different tabs, and it can be pretty overwhelming. So what I found out, that when you click here with the right click, you can actually choose the option reopen close tab, and it will give you a steps back where you can see what you have opened, what you have closed previously. So this is a really useful option, which I really liked it to share. I really wanted to share with you so you can use it in your productivity. And you know, when you feel like you have lost your progress, to come back at it easily and quickly. So if you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe for more productivity tips and also design orientated videos. Bye, see you next time.